filthy. Okay, then. I will just... Oh. Oh. Oh, is that dried blood?
So, what were you working on?
Oh, that. I call it the Sky Mover. Just up that mountain waits a treasure trove of rare resources. Once I mine, we'll need a way to bring it all down.
And you know how to fix it?
Not even a little.
Não, eu arrumou o machado rapidinho.
It's over. It is over, isn't it?
Prepare yourself.
I can't tell. Are we getting closer to the mountain?
We are.
That was tough. Do you think for this last leg up the mountain that maybe I can carry her?
I told you no.
Why? She meant more to me than you anyway.
What?
I just meant I spent more time with her.
It would serve you to stop talking.
fácil assim, né?
Ready yourself.
Essa luta aqui vai ser bonita, pessoal, ó. Só sequência de combo, ó. Sem parar, sem dar tempo pra ele. Um atrás. Tá vendo? Já noicoteamos ele. Subindo em cima. É só encher ele de soco. Depois ele já finaliza alguns aqui embaixo. Isso aqui é pra finalizar ele mesmo, fácil. Olha, tranquilo. Sem comentários. Depois dessa luta insana, pegar um pouco de vida, né, galera? Essa parte é bem detalhada, né, pessoal?
Whoa. I can
Mas
see
da
why Mom
montanha.
wanted us to bring her here.
Indeed.
Tem metade do objetivo e a gente já chegou.
Is that smoke?
Uma nuvem preta no meio do caminho.
Stay back, boy.
Ugh. What is that?
É, não dá pra passar por aí agora.
We must find another way up.
The witch! Wish she was here. Bet she could get us past this.
Tem que ter alguma
My
ação
magic
pra
is
passar.
useless against the Black Breath, and there's no way around it. Odin saw to that long ago,
Vai
What are you
aparecer a
doing
fria.
here?
making sure you can finish your journey.
Why wait to warn us?
I was busy saving my friend, if you remember.
Eu tô explicando que a única forma de passar é com a
The
luz
Black
de
Breath is a
raio.
corruption of magic even I can't dispel. Only the pure light of Alfheim is strong enough to break through. But that road is long. What does this goal mean to you?
It's everything.
Follow me.
Why help us?
Maybe I see more of myself in you than I'm willing to admit. Maybe by helping you, I'll make up for a lifetime of mistakes. Or maybe I just like you,
Even though we shot your friend?
even though you
Não,
shot
querendo
my
ajudar,
friend.
né?
Yes.
Where must we go?
To a realm beyond your own.
Ela vai explicar não o que a gente acha.
We're going to another realm? Are you coming with us?
Only for a little while.
Only for a little
O
while.
movimento desse NPC tá bem bonito, pessoal.
We'll use this.
Aunt, Sindri said it was broken.
Sindri.
The dwarf at the foot of these hills.
He was fixing it when we got here.
No one was there when I passed by. Perhaps he finished. Dwarves are awfully resourceful.
And irritating, based on the two we have met.
That. Just give that a turn.
Esse mecânico aqui, né?
Tyr's temple is at the center of the lake. It is from there we travel to Alfheim. Thankfully, it's no longer underwater.
Why is that creature in the bay?
No one knows. He just appeared one day. Soon after, Thor attacked, and their battle could be felt across all the realms. Ultimately, it ended in a stalemate, and Thor returned to Odin empty-handed. The serpent stayed and grew so large, he now spans all of Midgard.
See? Told you.
They've hated each other ever since, destined to kill each other come Ragnarok.
You believe in Ragnarok?
I dearly wish I didn't, child.
You know, we actually talked to the world serpent.
You...
I'm good with languages, even ones I've never heard before. But when he talks, I can't understand any of it.
Ó, Kratos sem cavaleiro.
Watch your step. Just along here.
Are you sure? We came through here before and there's no way back across. See?
Is that so? Let me show you something.
Aqui
Are
tá
you
o cara
watching?
fazer, galera.
Dios!
What? It's solid.
Elven architecture.
Garoto ficou
My
impressionado.
bowstring was soaked in the light of Alfheim. It can now reawaken the magic of the elves.
Wait, it won't just disappear, will it?
Not as long as the light shines free. This way.
I want one. Those roots. What kind of magic is that?
Odds boy. Thought I taught you that.
Tyr's temple. Built with help from the giants, Great Tyr used it to travel the 9 realms and keep the peace between them.
Doesn't seem very peaceful. Everywhere we go, we're attacked.
Até
Especially
explicando
by
sobre o
dead
tempo
things.
do
The
tio.
risen dead grow ever more numerous. Once the roads and trails would have been full of people. Now all have hid or fled.
Eu sou o